Good morning everyone. Myself Ms. Surbhi Sharma from Shivjyoti Educational Group. I hope you all are staying fit and healthy these days. Please take precautions. So today we are going to start with GK class 5. Chapter 16 Aquatic Sports. Now what do you all understand by aquatic sports? First of all, let's talk about aquatic. You have heard about aquatic animals, the one who lives in the water. So in this we are going to talk about sports, the sports which are played, which are done in the water. So let's read about such sports. Sports that involve bodies of water are called aquatic sports. Okay. Here are the pictures and clues of some aquatic sports. Write their names using the help box. Help box has been given to you down. So first one is a water sport in which a person is towed behind a boat while attached to a specially designed parachute, that is parasailing. So in this you glide through the air while an open parachute is there and you are tied with the motorboat. Okay. Second one is a water sport where the participant is towed on a boat, this boat at a planing speed behind a motorboat, that is knee boarding. Third one is a water sport involving a person riding a small self-propelled vehicle which skims across the water on a flat keel. Flat keel, you can see the base of this is very flat, that is jet skiing. You all must have seen this, you all must have enjoyed this also. This is jet skiing. Fourth one, that is a water ride taken towards the water shore on a surfing board, that is surfing. You can see this board. Okay. Next is fifth one, underwater diving with an air tank and swim fins attached to the feet of the diver. So that is scuba diving. Now why it is called scuba diving? Because a person is having one apparatus for breathing. That apparatus is known as scuba, and in this the person dive very deep. Sixth one is a challenging activity using a floating platform to navigate through river, that is rafting. We have you must have listened about river rafting. So this rubber kind of boat is there and that is rafting. Seventh one, this is a team sport played in water, that is water polo. Polo is a game. So this is the game which is played in water, that is water polo. Eighth one is swimming underwater being equipped with a mask and a short tube. Okay. So this, see, in this the person goes very deep, but in this the person doesn't go very deep and they are having a mask with themselves and one breathing tube. That breathing tube is known as snorkel. That breathing tube is known as snorkel, and this particular activity is known as snorkeling. So swimming underwater being equipped with a mask and a short tube is known as snorkeling. Chapter 18 are pets. You know who are pets? Domestic animals to whom you can keep in your house also. You take care of those animals. Okay. Let's talk about this. Dog and cats are our favorite pets. There are more than 700 types of pure breeds of dogs. So we are going to talk about different breeds of dogs in this chapter. Look at the following pictures and write their names in the given spaces. Use the help box. Help box has been given to you down. So the first one, you can see the image. The oldest breed of dog in the world, that is Saluki. He can, this dog can run at a speed of 69 kilometers per hour and life expectancy of this dog is 12 to 14 years. Second one is the smallest dog in the world, that is Chihuahua. Life expectancy is 12 to 20 years. Third one, largest and tallest dog in the world, that is Irish Wolf Hound, basically found in Ireland and having life expectancy of 6 to 14 years. Fourth one is the fastest dog in the world. The name is Greyhound and generally it is found in England, and life expectancy is 10 to 14 years. Fifth one, the dog that helps the police, name is bloodhound, and the life expectancy is 10 to 12 years, and generally it is found in Belgium, UK, France. Okay. Sixth one is the world's tallest living dog, okay, that is Giant George, and the name of this dog has been mentioned in the Guinness World Record book also. Seventh one is world's most expensive cat, the name is Zeus. Eighth one, world's smallest living domestic cat, that is Peebles. So please fill all the chapters very carefully. I hope you all understood the chapter very well. We will meet in the next session. Thank you.